welcome back to a Dolomite video, and this time we're going back to Trevor's Dolomite. See what progress has been made since last year. And he's done his rear parcel shelf. He's actually used the vinyl that was on the roof originally, the original roof vinyl. So, bit of recycling there. Yep. Right, and we've got dashboards in, and we have a nice little relay panel here, made up from it's like hinges from IKEA furniture. Steering columns in, the column switches in place, and the ignition switch. We have the dashboard. Bubble wrap on to protect it. Trailing, got trailing arm.
Yeah, put trailing arms.
Yes,
in.
yeah, it's a trailing arm on.
Yeah, trailing arms are in.
Yep.
I have to move this out of the house because.
Yeah.
Tank in. I don't know if tank were in before.
Yeah, tank's in. Yeah. So
it's all
like
packed up and moved in
yeah.
now, whereas before
Yeah,
I think
so
it was
not
probably
going
just
anywhere.
placed temporary in there.
Yep.
Rear
Rear lights.
Ready to test. Blower motors underneath.
Yeah.
That.
Oh,
Bubble
gaskets as well.
Yeah,
So I've been keeping my brothers in business.
Yeah. That front ones, I think.
Oh yeah, the side light indicators. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's just loads of little bits. Don't look like much, but it all adds up.
Right.
Yeah. And let's have a look at engine bay. Oh, you see you've got some wiring looming, yeah. And it's like a couple of engine mounts as well.
Yeah, I like
Arms.
to date stuff that can't be seen.
Yeah.
As I do them, so that's it. That's my rear parcel shelf.
And you got front suspension on as well.
Yeah.
I don't think you had front suspension on last time.
I don't know.
Not without going back to the video. And there's headlamp panel there.
Yeah, I'm going to swap them over because they're.
I still can't remember who does the the more convex headlights because I have Auto Pals in mine. They're a bit flatter.
Yeah.
So I got these coilovers you got on front. Yeah, no, yeah, could tell adjustable coilovers.
I've made this since you were last here.
Oh yeah, nice new parcel shelf.
That's bottom parcel shelf.
Yeah.
That is made with new vinyl, not old, but
no, not like the rear parcel shelf.
And then I've cut out some shapes.
Yep.
That I need to get bent. So that's my shape for that one. So I have sort of done a bit of practicing, and I've found that if I douse it in a little bit of water, not too much, it will bend. The only problem is when you're bending it on an internal corner, wherever you clamp it, it sort of squashes the moulding that's on there that's representing like a fake vinyl that's on there. I've got some pieces that
I say, couldn't you use steam? Couldn't you steam it to soften it or something like that?
Possibly so.
Yeah.
But that's one that I have done an internal and an external bend on.
Oh.
So I've done an internal and external bend on.
Oh, yeah.
Internal's fine. It was the external.
Yeah.
Where I've had to put like a bit of pressure on it.
You just need to soften it. You probably need to soften it.
It just sort of, it's squashed the.
You could. What about soaking it in warm water? That'd be another way of softening it.
Yeah.
That'd be the best bet because that's what you do with with trim for rubbers.
Yeah.
Your windscreen rubbers and such like. You have that. Yeah. Trim, you just soak it in hot water and it makes it a bit more malleable.
See where I've went in somewhere to clamp it so I can bring it over.
Yeah.
So he'll get that.
Yep.
I'm not too perturbed by it really.
No.
It'll all go, and I've got some sound deadening material here that came from my next door neighbour.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He's,
Oh, we're all for free.
he's cut me some of that, and that'll go over me gearbox tunnel because the original stuff's just shot.
I can do any floor pans with it.
I'm going to push it right up bulkhead.
Yeah.
Right to back at bulkhead.
Yeah.
Certainly on the passenger side. I'm not so bothered with the driver's side.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's going to interfere with.
I've just had a thought. What about a bulkhead pad? Have you sorted out a bulkhead pad?
That's big. That were in.
Oh yeah. Well, I can't remember what I did in the last video. Not without
That must have been in the last.
Looking it up. Can't remember where. You mentioned that, just reminded me. Yeah, you got your bulkhead pad in, yeah?
Yeah, all went in.
Yep.
Just, like I say, it's just little incidental stuff that sort of hold you up.
Yeah.
Like I'm trying to get some...
oh, this is your fuse box. You mentioned fuse box last night.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
12-way split load box.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, on mine I fitted an MGB fuse box, which gives you 4 fuses.
Yeah, well, there we go.
That'll
give you all them.
As some Dolomite owners, you know, the standard Lucas fuse box is only 2 fuses, one for your permanent live and one for your ignition fed live.
So that's what we've got here. So we've got ignition and permanent here.
Yeah.
So and even voltage stabilizer will fit underneath the cover as well. So and there's a permanent earth bond that I've put on there.
Yeah.
It's got tags back to body. So all these are earth tags at top, and then obviously these are my lives here.
Yep.
So yeah. It should
nice,
be all
nice little setup.
Once we'll spin it round and get a lid on it and things like that.
Looking in the I see the clutch sleeve there, and wiring lumen in the screen mush bottle.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep.
Most of the bits and pieces are just starting to come together.
Yep.
So I'll tell you what I've done as well when I've salvaged a bit more from my vinyl roof.
Oh yeah. Oh, for the inside the airpost.
Yeah. So that's my vinyl roof.
The old reusing the old vinyl roof.
My vinyl roof,
yeah. What's happening with heater box?
That's the original one from the car, but as you can see, I've got one.
Oh yeah, so you got one in, yeah. You got one, yeah. Yeah.
Bought all new seals. Well, I made the seals actually from other stuff, and the seal that goes around the heater here as well. So it's really, really tight. There won't be any air being blown.
Be like new.
Yeah, it's lovely. And I've got a new water valve on there as well. So that went in there.
Does the clock work? Have you tested it?
No, not tested.
Oh, you didn't have clock. Oh, is that the original clock you had?
Yeah, that's the original clock.
Yeah, I've got same style clock in mine.
Yeah. And then obviously.
Because earlier ones were different.
That's the little dash panel ready.
Oh yeah.
Nearly ready to go in. Nearly ready to go in. It's not quite, but I just need to do a bit more testing with it. And I also need to change some lighting around it because you might notice that's not an original clock in there.
Yeah, you got you've.
So that's it's an old Smith's one, which the bezel that's around there when it lights up on a night, it's blue. So I've taken out.
You've taken out the original coolant temperature gauge and what's that? That's a it's a combined oil pressure and
water temperature. Yeah.
And coolant temperature. Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll put a series of green LEDs around there, just to make it matching with the rest of the green lighting that comes from that. So.
But I'm sure you can use original style bulbs in LED. Because
can't use it in there though.
No.
Can't use it in there. There's nothing for it. So you've got to physically.
You just have to get a bit creative.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. Somebody's just sent me a text.
And at the weekend, I'll be picking up one of these pipes
for
the clutch slave. So I've
clutch
got
that's
clutch
cylinder.
It's master
cylinder. Yeah, reservoir.
So I'll be able to put that on and I can bleed it. And just leave it ready.
Oh yeah.
So I can bleed that system.
Hydraulics, because I can see there's a clutch pipe, yeah.
So that's a little job to do.
Yeah.
Amongst the other things. But I've had parcel shelf in and out quite a few times just to make sure that relay box doesn't interfere with anything.
Yep.
And it's nice and low actually, it's parcel shelf inside there. Trying to think what else I've done. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we'll.
Engine's gone.
Oh yeah, he said engine gone for.
Engine's gone for refurb.
Yeah.
So there's its trolley waiting for it to come back.
Yep.
I'll show you powder coated wheels.
Oh, here we go.
One of them. The rest, the others are still at the shop. So this is my oldest wheel that I had. The worst one. So I've had it powder coated rather than diamond cut and polished. So
yeah.
I like it.
Is that got a date on it?
Yeah, it's dated.
Yeah, I know the early ones that were dated.
Yeah, it's dated as of, was it 73? I think this one is.
Yeah.
Like that. I can't remember.
Well, ideally, you could do with a matching set of 75s.
I doubt it. I doubt it. Well, it'd be 74 actually, because it didn't. It were registered January.
Oh yes, so technically, 74 build, yeah. It's like my BMW, it was registered in 95, but it was actually built in 94, because it was registered 3rd of January 95, so it was definitely built in 94.
Is it 18th, 23rd of January, something like that?
Yeah,
I've got a heritage certificate.
Oh, you'll have a heritage certificate,
yeah,
I'll tell you when it was built.
Well, you know the cowl that goes on there?
Oh yeah.
That middle bolt that's right short. There's a middle bolt that's short.
Oh yeah, yeah.
God knows what it is. And I've been trying to find out what thread it is as well. I've no idea.
Well, I've got a copy of our hardware catalogue. You should be able to tie it up with part number.
I've got
I'll tell you what.
I've got Whitworth. No,
yeah.
What screw.
Oh, don't give you part number for the screw. No.
I don't like giving it that.
I'm gonna say if you find it, steering. I think it'd be it's either going to be in steering or. And if you want to try looking at steerings. Oh, there we go. Get a bit warm. Oh, there we go.
So it's that one.
Let's have a look
they're
at
the long ones. That's the short one.
Yeah.
So it's a PXO 557P.
Yeah, just I do have a standard Triumph hardware catalogue.
But I don't know what thread it is.
That lists all dimensions for all various fixings. So you look up that part number, and it tells you your thread and pitch.
Well, I've no idea what it is.
So
I've tried it with all sorts of stuff.
Well, what I'll do is when I get them, I'll have a look. I'll see if I can find out what it is.
All the bits and pieces that I've done. So that's a heat shield off at starter motor. Heat shield off at. Gearbox cover. So that is asbestos in there. So what I've done is I've sort of sprayed it with like a bit of a sealer, and then I've sprayed it round
it's safe as long as the fibres
aluminium
don't escape.
Yeah.
And but remember asbestos garages back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
I remember them.
Airline blowing out brakes out.
Yeah.
We don't do that anymore.
No. That needs health and safety conscious days.
So no, I don't think.
Okay, yeah. So gonna wrap this video up. A bit of progress since the last one. So yeah, that's it for this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification button so you get notified of any new videos that are uploaded. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.